What's up, guys? So I got four packages in the mail from Amazon. I got one, two, three, and four. I was supposed to just get one thing, but impulsive, impulsive shopping online. Yeah, my intrusive thoughts and actions took over. I was only supposed to buy one thing, and it was for my car. But it's here. Let's get right into it. So this package. Oh. Okay. Put it over there. This I got from my dashboard for my vehicle. So, it came with the sticky thing, so I can just have to put or buy. So next package. I don't have a knife on me. I'm gonna use a pen. Oh shit. If you know me, I love my sounds. Ow. But yeah, if you know me, I love my sounds. Yeah, this thing is hefty. Like the weight of it. Big ass magnet. I got two. There's one. And here's the second one. Buddy. Bro, this magnet is pretty hefty. This one is 250 watts. One exit, 1 inch. Not bad. Next package. Yeah! Oh, my voice got yeah! Alright. So, I got mid-bass loudspeaker factory replacements. I got the PRVs. Yeah. Oh. That's cool. I wasn't even supposed to buy any of these things. I was supposed to buy one thing, that's this thing right here. But intrusive thoughts. One. Oh shit. Oh shit. PRVs. These are 100 watts. Oh, they're pretty hefty, huh? The magnet. Oh, I have another box in here too. Oh, this is my other screwdriver. This one is for my rear dash. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. And this. Hold on, let me open it up. Bro. This is pretty hefty. This is only 100 watts. So I'm basically replacing all my speakers in my car because it's like factory. I just wanted something simple. Whoa, look at that coil. And this magnet. Hefty, bro. And then this one is just a cover to put on top when I mount it in. Nice. But yeah, this thing is pretty cherry, bro. Okay, let's open up my last one. Go on. Okay, last and final thing that I'm supposed to only buy. Hey. Ow. My leg is getting numb. Now I need to see if it comes with that part that I really do need. My lower control arms. This is what I needed. Only needed was my lower control arms for both sides. Ooh. Yep. Yup, this is the only thing I was supposed to buy. But my interested thoughts, one. Hold on, let me put this back. But yeah, that's all the package that I just recently got. I mean, I have one more package coming Friday or Wednesday this coming week. It's another 6.5 speaker of the same brand, the PRVs. But so the speakers, I got four 6.5. So I'm changing out the 2 front doors and adding 2 rear doors because Nissan, I guess they didn't put in our back doors. I don't know why, but I bought 4, so 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then I'm changing out my rear. Oh my god, hold on. Okay, my rear dash speakers. That's my 6x9s. But yeah, that's everything I got as of right now, and then just waiting on one more package. If you guys stayed and watched all the way to the end, let me know if you guys wanted to see me install my speakers. Shoots.